Before Yarn, it was MapReduce 1.0 that was responsible for distributing the work. This diagram shows how MapReduce 1.0 works. It is made up of a job tracker and many task trackers. Job tracker is like a manager of a shop floor who is responsible to interact with customers and get the work done via task trackers. Job tracker breaks down the work and distributes parts to various task trackers. The task trackers keep job tracker updated with the latest status. If a task tracker fails to provide the status back, job tracker assumes that the task tracker is dead. Thereafter, job tracker assigns the work to some other task tracker. To ensure equal load on all the task trackers, job tracker keeps track of resources and tasks. MapReduce 1.0 also performed the sorting and ordering required as part of MapReduce framework. The MapReduce framework was very restrictive. The only way you could get your work done by using MapReduce model. Not all problems are suitable for MapReduce kind of model. Some of the problems can be better solved using other frameworks. That's why Yarn came into play. Basically, MapReduce 1.0 was split into two big components, Yarn and MapReduce 2.0. Yarn is only responsible for managing and negotiating resources on the cluster. And MapReduce 2.0 has only the computational framework, also called workload, which can run the logic in two parts, map and reduce. MapReduce 2.0 also does the sorting of the data. We will study MapReduce workload in details in the coming sessions. This refactoring or splitting made way for many other frameworks for solving different kind of problems. The example of frameworks that have come on Yarn are These. The program written for MapReduce 1.0 need not to be modified to run on MapReduce 2.0. Just recompilation is enough, as following. It supports many workloads including MapReduce. Now with Yarn, it has become easier to scale up. MapReduce 2.0 was compatible with MapReduce 1.0. This improved in the cluster utilization as different kind of workloads are possible on the same cluster. It improved agility. Since MapReduce was batch-oriented, it was not possible to run tasks that need to be run forever, such as stream processing. The role of job tracker in MapReduce 1 is now split into multiple components in Yarn: resource manager, application master, timeline server. The task tracker is now node manager. The role of a slot in MapReduce 1.0 is now played by container in Yarn.